The 2017 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.